and welcome to my kitchen. I'm Akshata and you are watching Akshata's Recipes. The theme of my channel is to keep it simple, quick yet delicious. So like all my other recipes, today's recipe too is going to be very simple to make, few ingredients, and the end result is going to be really delicious where you're going to want to make it again and again. So let's get started with today's recipe. So let's get started with today's Takku recipe. Now here I have two medium-sized kairis or raw mangoes which I've peeled and I've grated. This is about 5 tablespoons of grated gur, some Kashmiri red chili powder, some ready-made mango powder, pickle powder, and some salt to taste. Now I'm going to add this ready-made mango pickle powder, which is easily available. You can buy any brand. And then I'm going to add the Kashmiri chili powder. Now all of the measurements are going to be there in the description box below of all the ingredients, so be sure to check it out. Then I'm adding some salt to taste. And I'm going to add this jaggery or grated gur. Now you can use a knife and just cut up the gur into very small pieces. Now we're going to give everything a very good mix. And then we're just going to cover this entire mixture and leave it at room temperature for at least 2 to 2.5 hours. So give everything a very good mix. So this pickle, for those of you who don't know what takku is, it's a kind of a sweet and a little spicy pickle. And it goes extremely well with, amti bhat or just plain pori or even with varan bhat. It's just it's just an amazing pickle. So now this is what your mixture will look like before you keep it for 2.5 hours. Then we're just going to give it a fodni or a tadka with our regular fodni ingredients, that is methi seeds, then some mustard seeds and some hinga and just very little oil. I've used just about 1 to 1.5 tablespoon of oil. Now after the mixture has sat for 2 to 3 hours, you will see that all of the jaggery or the gur has just melted away and you will get this kind of a mixture. So even if you mix the mixture together, you will not find any particles of the gur. It just totally dissolves. So now I'm going to heat my 1.5 tablespoons of oil in this cuddler or this small tadka pan. And when our oil is nice and smoking hot on a low to medium flame, we're just going to add these few methi seeds. Then we're going to add some asafoetida or hinga. And then we're going to add mustard seeds, mori or rai. So keep your mixture ready. It's such a super simple recipe and the end result is delicious. And this pickle has a long shelf life also. So you can keep it at room temperature for, better to keep it in a dark, cool place for about 3 to 4 days and then you can refrigerate it. But it lasts for a long time and it's really, really amazing. And there's very little oil also used in this pickle. Now you can see that my oil has actually started, to smoke. So I'm just going to add my mustard seeds. Then I'm going to add my methi seeds. And last but not the least, my hing powder or my asafoetida. Just going to mix everything nicely. Turn off my flame. And then I'm going to let the oil come to room temperature. So now with so many of the raw mangoes or kairis available, you can make all these lovely pickles. And I'm also going to come up with another recipe which is a raw mango drink which is called Panha. So look out for that recipe. It's coming out soon. And then once the tadka or the fortni has come to room temperature, I'm just going to add it to my mango mixture. See that you get all of that lovely fortni into the mixture, and then mix it very, very well so the entire mixture is coated with this tadka or this fortni. The aroma of this takku is also mind blowing. It's just amazing. And you don't even have to keep this for a very long time before you can actually start having it. It's just an instant pickle. You can have it right away. And then just take a nice, clean, dry bottle. If you're able to, sun dry your bottles, that is also great. And then, fill this pickle up. That's a good tip I'd like to give you here, that if you're able to keep your bottles, either on your terrace top or on your balconies or your window, shelves where you get a lot of sunlight, it's before, you put your pickle in the bottles, it has a longer shelf life. So try to get your bottles very, very clean, very dry, and that will increase the shelf life of your pickles too. So friends, here it is, this lovely sweet mango pickle with a little bit of spice to it. So friends, I hope you enjoyed watching today's recipe. I hope you're going to give today's recipe a try. Share my recipes with family and friends. Go and visit my channel. I have more than 500 recipes as of today. So go try them out, share them with family and friends, and let me know also in the comment section below how you like the recipe. Also, don't forget to give this recipe a big thumbs up by clicking the thumbs up icon that you see below this video. If you haven't joined Akshata's recipes yet, click the subscribe button that you see below this video and become a part of Akshata's recipes. And once you have subscribed, there's a little bell icon that will pop up. Just click it. That way, whenever I put up a new video, a recipe, vlog, or I'm just online waiting to chat with you, you'll get a message for the same. So friends, thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye. Take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be loving and kind to one another. So till I see you in my next video, bye.